welcome back to my channel. So sorry, but I accidentally didn't record. Yeah, welcome back, and let's get on. So I got pizza. Woo! Shout outs to you, Globs. And I have this.
I don't even know your video.
Tell Globs if you watch him, find his channel and tell him my YouTube channel. And if you do, I'll send you a prize. Globs, my name's Chloe. I commented on one of your videos. If you saw it, watch mine. And comment. Feel free. Well, I'm using on my sister's.
Make another video.
By the way,
Go sub to Foxy Jason. He had his picture.
don't sub to him.
Yes, sub to him.
Sub to him as much as you can.
Why
But
do you say that? That's so mean.
sub. I'm just playing, guys. If y'all don't sub to his channel, at least a few of y'all.
I'll show you the picture.
No, don't.
Here his hand. Here's his channel.
Stop. I'm trying.
Go sub
I got
him.
real popcorn. By the way, these are all my sisters. Don't judge a book by its cover.
Say, Chloe, I already know.
So, what's the difference? So, yeah. Let's just squish that up. And I'll tell you when it's done. Next when that's done.
Hey, Brady.
Done.
Yeah.
Put it all together. What do you get? Squishy towel. Squish. Strongest squishy ever. Just the most squishy I've ever saw.
Don't break them. You're breaking them.
I'm not.
Let's put them down right now. Put them back.
Okay, let's set
Don't
them
ever do
down.
that in your life again. She's trying to break my squishy.
No, I'm not. He's lying.
Go watch my look up my videos, Josh. Make another video.
So, guys,
Go.
bye!